Hey guys, so today, we're gonna be hacking someone. Got their username already.
Ooh, hacking.
What was the numbers? 48. So this is their username, and we're gonna be hacking her. So let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah, it's so hyped. How do you even hack? But I guess we know the pro stuff.
Alright, so this is gonna be really easy. So all I gotta do is some like tricky hacking stuff. Okay, so log out of my account. Okay. Now you need to do this. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Do this. And do inspect. And we gotta do this. And we gotta copy and paste. Okay, and then now we just put it in. Okay.
Is it working?
Hold on. Didn't work. I think I put the username.
It didn't work?
Come on, work. Yes, I got in.
You seriously did?
Yep.
Ooh, button.
Okay.
I want a friend.
Wait, do you have numbers in your
Yeah,
username?
What?
Do you have numbers in your username?
I cannot hear you. Stupid computer's like.
Okay, there we go. I buddied you. So
You buddied it?
I'm gonna be taking this. Like, let's see what they have first. So. They have a bunch of carnival stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I want these wings, but I'm not gonna take them. I mean, I'm just gonna take their spikes. So,
How many spikes do they have?
let's see. I want that too.
Well,
They
how
have.
you could
1,
screen
2,
share
3,
you.
4, 5. We got 5 spikes. Let's go to the
I accidentally did like the face cam thing. Did you see that?
No.
Good.
Let's see.
Could you go to mine then?
I want this. The Phoenix armor. I've been wanting that for ever. Okay, let me.
Phoenix armor? Isn't that like in the diamond shop?
I don't know.
It is in the diamond shop.
Okay,
Oh my god, I saw that account. Dude, seriously? I traded that account for this spike that I'm wearing right now. I saw it in your thing. But I saw that, yeah, I was trying to trade Field to armor too. They seriously got in?
Yep. Okay, guys, so
But
I got in. Yeah. So,
time to take the spit.
okay, so I'm gonna gift it to my account. Because you know how cool I am. I did that other time. Okay, so,
Intense hacking.
okay, give me
I
that.
want to go on the call on the computer, by the way, okay?
Oh, dang it, I'm not
Like-
accepting gender. Okay. They would never know. Okay. Buddies. Okay, we're also gonna take their sheep cloak. Because you know how rare
What?
that is. Okay, AG Spirit. No. Okay,
How many, like, rares they have?
I don't know. I don't have that very much good stuff. Skip that. Let's see what den items they have. They have a bunch of sand stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna be taking anything. Okay, that'll be it. So yeah. just hacked this account. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Alright, guys, so that was. She told me that I could go on her account. I got her permission. I will be sending these stuff back, don't worry.
I'm just an innocent bystander.
She was in the video because I told her to do the stuff. But yeah. I'm not keeping anything. The only two things I took were the sheep cloak and the spike, as seen in the video. I got proof from her. She told me that I could.
If you do show the picture, like, make sure you cross out, like, the password.
So, she did that, she said, yes, make the video, I'm in my den, tell me when you hacked me, and get the spike. So, I did get permission from her. So, let me just get her.
I would never trust someone with my account.
Me neither, but you know, I'm too nice to hack someone, so.
Same.
Okay, I did get your permission. I think I spelled that permission wrong. Okay, and she said yes. So I did get her permission, and also shout out for Cosmic for being in the video with me.
Yeah.
So
I'm innocent bystander.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of the video. So, like I said, no one actually got hacked, and people who do hack, stop hacking. It does get them really sad, because they got items that worked really hard for. So yeah.
Hacked. Obviously. Help
them. Because they did work hard for their items. So yeah. Also, like she said, go give Panda, Purple Panda with, it's spelled like
317.
Yeah, spelled like that. So, if you did enjoy this video, hit the like. Like I said, no hacking was done, sort of. But I did get her permission. Don't do what I just did. Thanks. Okay, bye.